How many times do you hit the snooze button in the morning when your alarm clock reminds you it's time to go to work? 4, maybe 5 times, right? Before the voice of your underappreciative boss pops into your head and startles you awake, right? By reminding you that you can't even afford to quit. What would you give to finally free yourself from the meaningless 9-to-5 job before this time next month? Right? So you never have to trade your soul for another terrible paycheck ever again. Right? I ask because if you're anything like I was 2-3 years ago, then the only answer to that question is I would do anything, right? And you already know the importance of finding that high-paying part-time side hustle that gives you the job replacing income. That you need, so you can finally write your own ticket. You can live life on your own terms, create the abundance that you and your loved ones deserve, working where you want, when you want, how much you want. Look, maybe you've even seen all the options. There's online courses, there's drop shipping, affiliate marketing, coaching, or consulting, or maybe you could start an agency or get into real estate. And you already know the opportunities online are almost limitless, right? But here is the undeniable rub. All of that stuff is hard. With all the time, energy, and failure that's required to get a business moving, unless you have a big vault of cash to help you get started fast, there's simply no way of replacing your 9-to-5 income without putting in 60, 70, 80 hours per week or more for the next year or two minimum. Right now, that would have been bad news not long ago. But today I'm going to show you why that's the best news you've ever heard. Because thanks to a new straight to the money side hustle that's in high demand, you now have a way to create a job replacing 6-figure income part-time without struggling through all of the expense and toil of building a business from the ground up. And if you follow these steps I show you in the video, you'll have an army of entrepreneurs with multi-million-dollar businesses practically beating down your door, desperate to hand you giant commission checks of $9,800 or more, right? Because you've got the one easy to learn skill that their business cannot survive without. Now, if that sounds hard to believe, I understand because I felt the same way. But check this out. My name is Peyton Welch. And even though it's only been 2 years since I ditched my old job, I've never started a business. And I never, ever saw myself earning more money than a neurosurgeon. The 3 pictures that you're looking at now show my take-home income over the past 2 months. That's more money than I used to make in 2 years of my old job. But that's not even the most exciting part. Because another 1,621 people have already joined me in using the simple straight to the money side hustle to free themselves from their 9-to-5 prison cell in as little as 21 days while working part-time from anywhere in the world. And if that's not astounding enough, believe it or not, 1,622 of us got started using nothing but a phone and a 6-page PDF. So put everything on hold, zone in with me for a minute, and commit to watching this training all the way through. Because if you're fed up with staying trapped in the dead-end job where somebody else controls how much money, freedom, abundance you enjoy, then the next few minutes will change the trajectory of your life. You may have already noticed we're witnessing one of the greatest entrepreneurial booms in history. And no one can deny it, right? Maybe you've heard of people like Tony Robbins, Dean Graziosi, raving about online education and the $355 million that industry brings in every single day. Or maybe you've heard that Forbes expects the same industry to triple in size over the next 5 years, almost $1 billion per day. Or maybe you've heard Bloomberg or Fortune say we're witnessing the biggest transfer of wealth in history, with 1,700 new millionaires created online daily. We're clearly in the middle of a seismic shift, but here's the kicker. With the straight to money skill I'm about to show you, you can earn a job replacing income from this titanic online education industry without going through all the trouble of building a business or marketing your services or doing any client support or building websites or driving traffic or hiring and firing people or doing any of the legwork whatsoever. Because the entrepreneurs scrapping for their slice of this multi-trillion-dollar industry have already done the legwork for you. Now, let me show you exactly why these entrepreneurs are desperate to start handing you $1,000 commission checks right away. Before we dive in, I know you're busy and want to get to the good stuff. But to do that, it's important to understand the basics of what makes online education tick. So let me give you the 40,000 foot view of how these businesses make money. Step one, you've probably seen ads like these before. You're scrolling through Facebook or YouTube and somebody offers you a free book, a training webinar, or some freebie, right? And they ask you to put your email address in to get it. Now that's step one. Now you're a lead. Step two, after you go to an ad like that, most people will offer you something in a low price range, typically under $100. That's where they make their money back from the advertising that got you to the page. But you see, that's not where the real money is made, right? So step three, they offer the customer a premium program or service in what they call a high ticket or a high dollar price range. These offers start anywhere from $1,000 or $5,000 or $10,000, and they go all the way up to $50,000, $100,000 or more, right? That is where the profit happens. And for those of us who want to ride this entrepreneurial boom without all the risk of starting a business, that is where people like you and me can go straight to the money and make a lot of money doing it. All right, you see, you can walk into a high-end car dealership and pick out a Ferrari without asking about performance, the specs, the details about the financial agreement, right? Well, these high-dollar offers are the same way. You can't offer them using a Facebook ad and a sales page. Instead, people who are about to spend thousands of dollars on a high-dollar product or service almost always want to talk to a real person on the telephone. So after the call gets booked into a calendar like this one, somebody needs to hop on the phone with that person and make sure they're a good fit for the program or the service that they want to buy. Right? Then if everything checks out, that somebody invites the customer into a higher level relationship with the entrepreneur, and a lot of money changes hands. That sounds pretty simple, right? Well, it is, but there's one problem. Even though these high dollar sales are absolutely critical to making an online business profitable, with all the marketing, customer support, business building that the entrepreneur has to do, they don't have time to get on the phone and help these customers make that investment into the high dollar offer. But as you can guess, that's actually good news. That's where you and me have the opportunity to get in the middle of these big money exchanges and cut a piece of the action for ourselves. In other words, that's where an inbound closer comes in. So what's an inbound closer? Well, it's exactly how it sounds. We're the people responsible for closing highly qualified, highly interested inbound leads. We hop on the phone with these customers, we learn a little bit about them, try to answer any questions that they have, and ultimately we can see if they're a good fit for the high dollar offer that they want. Then, if it makes sense for that person to invest, we invite them into the program or service. And of course, since we're helping the entrepreneur make a profit where they otherwise could have missed out, they're more than happy to hand us a piece of the revenue as a commission. Right? And as you'll see in a second, these commissions can get so massive, it's virtually impossible not to enjoy the job replacing six-figure income, even part-time. But before we get into that, I should tell you, when I first got introduced into inbound closing, I thought it sounded kind of like a sales job where I'd have to do a lot of talking and a lot of calling people who didn't want to hear from me.